Hello darlings, it's Tess. Unfortunately, today I've got some bad news. Our little buddy Cosmo did die last night. If you're wondering why I'm playing Singing in the Rain, it's because Cosmo was named joyfully by me after Cosmo Brown in this film because of this moment here where he pops his bug eyes out and it looks adorable, and that matched Cosmo the fish's little bug eyes. And I wanted to make this video of the little funeral that I decided to hold for him. He made me happy, and so I wanted to give him a happy send-off.
I'm sure we should all be as happy as.
So I decided to do a handmade matchbox for his little coffin, and so on this side I strengthened it with this flower washi tape that I just love, that is pretty, and then in the middle there I added these strips because the purple is like his purple rocks, and then this pink glitter almost perfectly matches the glitter at the top of the castle that I got for him, so it's great to have those colours to represent that. And then on the other side I decided to just paint it blue with watercolour, which is appropriate, and I blended these two blues on this palette together just to represent the water that he swam in. And then on this side I knew I wanted to add an appropriate Cosmo quote as a little epitaph.
The show must go on. Come rain, come shine, come snow, come sleet, the show must go on.
And so I decided on this one just to represent the fact that I'm going to be sad about him, but then I'm going to be happy again because the show must go on, because I know that even in his tiny brain he wouldn't want me to be upset forever. And so then for the paper matchbox cover I decided to go with this beautiful origami goldfish paper, which I got a while ago and is one of my favourite pattern papers that I have. I wanted to donate a little bit of that beauty to him, even if it's going to be buried, because if you ask me, that's just what he deserves. So I originally got my gems out just for fun to glue some to the bottom of his box, just to like represent his shininess and his preciousness, kind of how people used to bury jewellery with their royals or something. Maybe it's a bit crazy. But then, me being me, I decided to make this little tribute of rainbow rhinestones that kind of looks like the little joys that he gave me every day. Once everything was ready, I just slipped him into his little resting place, and it looked pretty, it looked calm, it was right for him. And then I decided to bury him, and even as I did, I wanted to remember the positive energy that I named him after, and the fact that that positive energy was something he could bring to me in his little own way.
Make a man.